Morning folks, last day of sat on me bollocks day riding. Right, last day today on our way back to England, St Helens, near Liverpool. Anyway, it's a bit misty this morning, but we're about 64 miles from Calais. We're going on back roads, we're not tolling it today. It is 17.5 degrees, chilliest day of the tour up tonight. So, we're an hour or so, because every night. And the rugby's on tonight, so we've got to get on for Saints versus Wigan. So, we're on it. We're on the case. Should be at the tunnel about 11 o'clock French time, 10 o'clock English time. What time train we get, we never know. These it's a bit. Sometimes they put you on a couple of trains earlier, and that's what we're hoping for. So maybe try and get through London by 1 o'clock, M25 and all that crap. But we'll see how we get on. Right, misty all morning. The hotel we stopped at for the last 3 nights is a bit of a shocker, really. It looks like you walk through the door, it's great, underground car parks, can't fault it. But Jesus Christ, it's the noisiest hotel in the world. You can hear every footstep, every clang. None of the doors are soft closing doors, all the doors are clanging doors, and they don't have aircon either. And when it's 33 degrees, the room was stifling. My t-shirt, you could wring it through, honestly. I must have sucked 3 cans of Coke a night. Diet Coke, like. It was Diet Coke, so we're living the dream. Diet Coke, it's the future. But anyway, I was on that, I just couldn't stop drinking all night. It was dripping off me. It was sweltering. You opened the window. Oh aye, and we were actually at the side of a building site. And in France they start building at 7 o'clock in the morning because it gets too warm later on. So 7 o'clock in the morning, bang, clang and everything. It was disgraceful. But you live and learn, don't you? Just no, never go back there. Because we've had some proper nice hotels, so can't really call it. It's one of those things, and the brekkie was right enough, and you know what I mean. It was just a few little bits. It would have been a bit quieter, and aircon. We could have probably give that a thumbs up, but no, I wouldn't recommend. That was Hotel Dandy in Rouen, right city centre, cracking place. It was right city centre, no walking doing it like that. So position wise it was great, and underground car park. Oh yeah. But as for a good night's sleep, you're not getting one there. You really are not getting one there. And the squeakiest bed in the world, if you want to jump, no chance. Not a chance. Honestly. You couldn't see him roll over at night without frightening each other with noise of squeaking beds and that. And breakfast is served at 7 o'clock. 7 till 10. But at 7 o'clock, a buzzer rings. Only a quick one, but it's like a loud buzzer rings at 7 o'clock just to tell you breakfast already. See? You don't need to tell us that at 7 o'clock. Honestly, that's something that doesn't need to be said. But they find it necessary to tell you, so... Anyway, I'm just letting you know, if you go on sites, booking.com or whatever, and you see Hotel Dandy, I'd probably look for somewhere else without you. That's just our views anyway. Anyway, when we stop for juice or do something, I'll get back to you. See you in a bit, folks. Bye now. Well, folks, we're at the Channel Tunnel. Weather's a bit grim. I'm not putting my waterproofs on yet either, so that might be the first job when we get it. It seems a shed load quieter than the last time we came. Last time we came here, it was a shocker all the way around here, and we got put into the holding pens. I don't know if you can see them over there, left hand side. We got put into the holding pens last time. But this time we're going to have to pull over a bit sooner because we don't know where our ticket is for to get on the thing. So either it's handbag or it's in left hand pannier. We'll have to do a bit of a pulled it over job in a minute when we get somewhere safe. Yeah, but last time, Jesus Christ, tonight, last time we was... Yeah, I don't know which idea which way we're bloody going. No idea which way we're going. Well, last time we came right down Middle East and we had no chance. We got through off to the left here and we went to that holding bay over there. But I'm just gonna pull over in a second and we will find our tickets. I'm sure I've seen it in sandbag here. Sure I've seen it. That's it there, isn't it? Eh? I don't know, babe. Bit 20 odd, won't it? 20 something. Yeah, that's us. Can we go in any of these or? I think so. Oh, do we need passports as well here? Oh shit. I know. Press to check it. You left. Can you not do it?
Yeah.
I've got my gloves on. They're going to put us on the normal train though, babe. We're going to be thingy here.
Okay, sweet. What's that tonight?
Exactly. It's not that easy, is it?
5-5. Oh, 1. 6-6. Tell me the next one.
Can't see. 8-6. This is going to put us on the normal thing. No, we should want to the booth with people in it.
Hello, Mrs. Kingsley.
Confirm, love.
Okay.
Oh, time options, charge plus, hang on a minute. 1206, charge plus £4. Yeah, we'll have that.
Have that one?
Yeah.
Will you put pennies in here now then?
It's a card job. You're going to have to put my card in. Have you? It's only £4 when I asked about that, are we?
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, come on, babe. It's probably because it's the card we paid on. You probably don't have to put a number in. Please take your receipt. Please wait. So we're on the thing 2 hours earlier. Just keep all that for now. Bon voyage. I'm bon in it, and I'm voyaging it. Look at that, folks. You probably heard all that bollocks and nonsense then, like, mum. You know what I mean? We've got on a... Why is there a massive queue there and there's not here? What's crack here? Am I missing somebody here, babe, or what? I've no idea. Hang on, babe. What are we missing here? All passports, UE, and see, I know we need to be over there, don't we? I think. I don't fucking know. I don't really understand it. I thought that was all passports. I think that's just for passports anyway. Anyway, folks, I'm going to switch you off for a minute here because. Hey, folks. That's the queue now for Get Up Tunnel. Straight through. We've got a 2 hour earlier train, which gives us a bit of leeway when we get back to the UK. Not a bad thing, is it? Seems to take forever to get through passport control at the moment, though. Last time we struggled the other end and we seem to go through it pretty quick. This time it seems to be the other way about. You probably can't hear this. I've just realised I've got the microphone plugged into the camera and the microphone's in the helmet. So maybe you can, maybe you can't. Anyway, I'm going to do a mad toll workout now because 1200GS, full of luggage, and Missy's not back. I can just about get my toes off floor. I'm going to paddle it forward now. I have to make bike noises. Does that sound like a twin, that? It sounds like a V-twin. It's not a big twin, it's a flat twin, isn't it? Whatever you want to call it. Nobody's laughing at us anyway, so we're alright. We seem to have like more vehicles in our line than any other line. All the others seem to stop there, they're straight through. Our line seems to have like loads of cars. That might be the Flexi Plus line, that. Anyway, folks, I'll speak to you when we get on train. See you in a bit. Bye now. Well, folks, we're in the middle of nowhere. Back in England, it's not stopped lashing down. Every motorway is chocker with accidents and Christ knows what. We filtered around the M25 for the best part of an hour. The M40 is just destroyed for some reason. We come off at where the Newbury bypass is for the A34. Did a right, we get back on the M40 thinking there might have been a crash, and it was the carriageway that led to it was jammed up, so I basically just followed my nose. And we're here. This is where we ended up. Not really sure where it is, where it goes, but sat nav seems to know a way through it, so I'd rather be doing this than sat on the bloody motorway trying to filter with panniers on and Christ knows what. Anyway, that's where we're up to. Just stopped for a brew at services like M40, I've had a brew and a bite of chocolate and talking to another biker there. He's just come back from Austria, doing Alps and all that, and on a CBR 600, and his front tyres were ruined, so he's having to take his time back. I've got to admit, even though I'm a walking driver, I've never been down here in my life. No idea where I am really. I know the area roughly, but I've never been down here. As I said, it's still better than being bloody sat on motorway, isn't it? Filtering through. It's all we've done today. Most of today we will be filtering. It's been disgraceful. Disgraceful. Oh, God knows where this is taking us. The mileage has actually been going down, so whatever route it is taking us, we are going us in the right direction anyway, because the mileage is dropping now. We're now 142 miles from home. I wish that was just 42, but it's not. It's 142. So it's going to plod on us, see how we get on. As it stands at the moment, our ETA is approximately 6:30. But when we left the tunnel, it was 4:30, so we've lost 2 hours. Even though, like we have stopped for half an hour for a brew. But the rest of it is just sat in bloody traffic. This is more like it anyway. I could just go all the way home on the road like this, fuck the motorway off. But no doubt sooner or later we are going to rejoin one of the main routes. Sooner or later it's got to get a bit better. Stands to reason, it's got to, odds on it's got to do. Anyway folks, any more developments I'll let you know. See you later folks, bye now.